Results of a research released today indicate that children in public primary schools are likely to perform worse than their counterparts in non-government and private schools. The report also says that a number of teachers are incompetent and that the Teacher Service Commission should raise the academic requirements for teachers. Catherine Omwantho tells us why.
Because of the high density of the population, informal settlements in urban centers are riddled with non-government primary schools, mostly run by missionaries or non-governmental organizations. According to a report launched by the African Population and Health Research Center, these schools are doing much better than government schools.
As a response to this need, ladies and gentlemen, the ministry has instituted measures to support low-cost private schools in urban informal settlements in Kenya.
Notably, there was poor performance in listening comprehension and creative writing in 3rd grade and across all schools, indicating a low mastery of these skills at an early age. Pointing out gaps in the current education system, which has been criticized for promoting the mere passing of standard examinations, while pupils never really internalize what they are taught.
Such education should have meaning to our learners in and out of school.
Another pertinent issue was the transition rate from primary to secondary schools. Out of 2,300 children in informal settlements enrolled in grade 3 to 6 in 2005, 76% of them completed primary education in 2010, while only 46% made the transition to secondary school. Out of the 556 sampled, 92% finished primary school and 72% made it to secondary school. Repetition rates are higher among boys in government schools compared to their female counterparts. Girls also test better in literary tests compared to boys. However, boys are better in numerical tests. The report throws a spanner in the works. Pupils may not be failing entirely because of learning difficulties, but their teachers' lack of knowledge in certain subjects.
So it is in the light of this that the Ministry of Education, Science and Technology, through the Teachers Commission, has recently raised the entry grade of our teachers training colleges to C, mean grade of C, with a compulsory pass in mathematics.
The report, which basically says those who are enrolled in government schools are likely to perform worse than those enrolled in non-governmental schools or private schools, reiterates the fact that government may be providing free education, but it's not necessarily providing quality education. Catherine Omwantho, KTN in Nairobi.